It's November the 17th. On my mind for this video is to start a series called My Climate. Thought it would be nice for viewers to see some of the weather I have to deal with so they can understand the experiments and projects that I have to go through to get both food and energy security here on this island. Spot sitting there, I just put another load of wood in that wood shelter yesterday. It's now the front yard. I'll walk down by the beach and take a shot across the yard. Looks like I'm going to have to continually clean the lens. If there's blurry spots, it's because, as you can see, it's snowing quite heavily. And the lens is getting wet and I have to continually wipe it. Looking down over the embankment on the other side of the road from my house. I guess I'm about 20 feet above high tide here now. Fairly rough water flowing in there. That wood thing over there, let's see, I'll zoom in on it. That's where I was sitting the other day on a couple of videos ago when I started the video with the sunset. Don't remember the name of that video now. Can't see across the bay this morning. Back up in the yard now. I'll walk up across, up over the hill up here. That's where the sunny patch of the garden is. And the shady patch, that's skidoo. It's an old skidoo in 92, I believe it is. I thought about fixing it up, and who knows, one day I might get the inspiration to actually fix that thing. I have the hens now all put in the hen house. We'll poke in and have a look at them. And up to the cellar. As it gets darker in the winter, the hens, they don't lay many eggs. Let's see how much I can get here. There's Mr. Rooster. He does a lot of crowing. Don't know if I showed you this thing before. It's one of those coolers that they put the ice in that you buy at the service station. I use it to store my chicken feed in. That's the wood I'm using right now. 2 cords of wood stacked in there. By the time I got that used, there would be too much snow for me to get up here and get it down to the house. That's why I'm packing wood in the other place. If you are interested in food and energy security in challenging climates, that's what this channel is about. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell for notifications. This is the video for today. See you in the next video.